Hey guys, this is Sushma. Welcome back to Unlimited Shades of Innovation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any update. So now let's get started. So guys, in this video, let's see how to reuse this curd cup. So firstly, cover the cup with tissue paper using Fevicol and let it dry completely. So guys, once it is dried completely, apply black acrylic color and let it dry. And once this black color is dried completely, then here I am applying bronze. So you can apply any metallic color to give a nice look. So here I have used a tissue to give a nice texture to this cup. So give it a try, guys. So guys, I am adding some flowers. So you can use this box as a pen stand. It really looks pretty on your desk. So I'm just decorating it with some leaves, flowers and some stickers. And I'm also going to add some sentiments out here. So guys, this is the final look. It's ready. So do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited Shades of Innovation. Do something creative every day. Take care. Bye-bye.